Roasted beets and carrots make a delicious side dish of root vegetables. Hi, I'm Kathy. Let's do this. Cut the ends off your carrots, peel them or scrub them really well, and then we'll cut them into big carrot sticks. They should be about the thickness of a grape. Make them a little longer. It's nice for presentation. Drizzle some olive oil over them. Stir to coat them completely in the olive oil. We'll sprinkle on a little sea salt, some cracked black pepper, and stir that all in. Spread it out on a baking sheet. If you use a non-stick one like this one, you don't need to line it or even oil it. The oil is on the vegetables. We'll cut up our beets. We've already peeled them and cut the ends off. You want them to be about the same thickness as the carrots so that everything will cook evenly. They'll make your fingers a little red, but that's okay. Add a little more olive oil. They'll get nice and shiny when they're oiled all over. Need a little more salt on these. Some black pepper. Get them coated evenly and then add these to the carrots in the pan. You'll put these in the oven for half an hour at 400 and you don't have to worry about them again till they're done. And then transfer them into your bowl to serve them warm. I like to drizzle them with some cashew yogurt on top. The recipes are on the blog at kathysglutenfree.com.